going on, everybody? It's your boy Shaka. Welcome to my man cave. Yeah, it's not the greatest man cave in the world. It's my little ass basement. It's small. Put up these tarps to protect my, precious fro from any spider webs and whatnot. But anyways, in this video, we are going to be in the process of building my motor. I don't know if you guys can really see that well. I don't know how well the lighting is. Do have a flashlight here, but yeah. There we go. Yeah, this is the d16y8 block that I'll be putting together. That's all the components over here. It's just all Y8 stuff, nothing out of the ordinary besides the pistons that are over here. As you can see, it's upside down. Spin that over. I tried to clean this one off a little bit, but it didn't really work. Yeah, it says PM6 pistons out of this motor. That's right. Well, that's part of it, and the block is right there. That is the d16y8 block. I'm going to be with that motor, that's going to be my all motor built with connecting rods and P29 YCP pistons, stuff like that. More upgraded parts for the all motor. For right now, we're just going to build the stock motor. Well, I shouldn't say stock, but out of OEM parts. So yeah, I got myself a little rebuild kit right in here. Open that up. You know what I'm saying? Got all the goodies. I got key bearings right here, as you can see, and the NPR piston rings. Yeah, we are going to be getting into some motor tanks here. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys my man cave and the process of this build, because it's not going to start today, because I actually want to clean a lot of this stuff here, because as you can see, all the girdle here is kind of dirty. Both of them are. I mean, they're both white girdles. Inside of there is the white crank. Like all this stuff, I just want to make sure that it's clean before it goes back in. But yeah, this is just a little process of me getting this going. A little station here. But yeah, hopefully this works out like I wanted to, like I said in my previous videos. And yeah, we're gonna get to it. But first things first, like I said, all these parts have to get cleaned. I need to clean them all. Yeah, that's gonna be tomorrow. Tomorrow, like I said, I'm gonna be heading to Harbor Freight in the morning, go and buying a power washer, and getting the rest of the stuff that I need. I need a big little bin so I can put my parts in and power wash them in there. I might just end up doing this at work tomorrow, because I don't really want to do this outside in my alley because it's still snow and stuff, so I'd rather just do it at work. And because there's hot water there, my water hose outlet for outside doesn't have hot water. So I'm not gonna change that. I'm not planning on doing that. So it's just easier to go to work and just do it like that. So yeah. I know I'm always rambling. I don't know why, but I just do. But guys, if I could just like share the level of excitement that I have with you guys, like, it's a smile from ear to ear every time I come down here. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm just preparing all the things that I gotta get ready for tomorrow to take with me, and I might just put them in a box. I don't know what box, but I'll have to find a box, put all my parts into it. I think I need a bin, because it's kind of heavy stuff here. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that.
2,000 years later.
Look like all new parts now. You know what I'm saying? Last thing to do is the girdle and the pistons. What's going on, everybody? Just finished up, you know, power washing. As you can see, I got all the 3 bins full of all the clean parts now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go take these home and start with the process of the build, or somewhat of do something. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out when we get home, because I have to check to see if the block is warped or not, to see if I have to send it to the machine shop. But see you then. What's going on, everybody? Finally home. Well, I've been home for a while. Been bullshitting down here, you know, my man cave. Got all my parts home, all cleaned up. Looking all fresh now, you know what I'm saying? Now you can see that it says PM6. Yeah, I got all the rods all cleaned up. They're all looking fresh. I mean, this one's a little corroded in there. I couldn't really get that, but it's alright. You know what I'm saying? 10 times better than what they were. But, yeah, all the other parts are in here, looking all fresh and clean, you know what I'm saying? Oh, they're gonna stay in there for now. Got the open, looking all clean, the girdle looking all clean. Oh, about to fall. You know what I'm saying? That's how it used to look. Big change. But yeah. Gotta say, I really gotta say, this Portland power washer from Harbor Freight, fantastic job. And be careful, because you see that? That's it hitting me in my hand. Peels my skin right off. But yeah, you did a pretty good job. All right, now back into the block. So I was thinking about sending it to the machine shop and just getting this done, but I'm kind of don't really want to put any more money into it, and this is just a cheap setup anyway. So I was like, you know what? Plenty of people do this and get away with it, so why not? Got a block, some sandpaper, just sanding away, trying to get this smoothed out. This is I'm scared to show you guys, because this is really horrible. As you can see, like, this is how black that is in there, and in there, like around there, right? But you see that this is all shaved. This is all shaved. I probably should send this to the damn machine shop. But if I can't get this smoothed out, yeah, it's gonna have to go to the machine shop. But I'm gonna keep trying. You know what I mean? I got plenty of time. It's no rush. But yeah, that's just a little update on this little Y8 build that's coming along here. That head, because I don't know which one I want to use yet. But yeah, then I got to figure out if one of those heads are warped and all that stuff down the line. But as of right now, that's what's going on. So, you know, thanks for watching. Definitely like, comment, subscribe. I almost forgot the third one. Peace, love, and energy grease. Catch y'all later.